Hey guys, welcome to Cut Roll Disc Golf Productions. Today I am so excited to bring you guys a unboxing of the new Idio Syncrasy shoes, disc golf shoes at that. I've been waiting for like 6 months for these shoes.
This is like crazy to me because I didn't even know they existed until he's like, let's do a disc golf review on Idio Syncrasy shoes, which I just learned that about 10 seconds ago.
Yeah, I just looked at his shoes and he definitely needs a new pair of shoes. So maybe when he sees these shoes, which we haven't even opened the package yet, he'll get intrigued and get him a pair too.
It is a possibility. My last shoe is like really messed up on the front of them.
Hopefully these shoes can be something that can solve that issue. I'm actually only gonna do an unboxing today. I'm gonna do another video about a month after this one. That way I can get a good amount of time in to really give you guys a full review. Let's get started. Let's open these bad boys. Got some seals.
Yep.
Look, this thing has not been opened. Just so y'all know, this is gonna be my first time unboxing this thing.
It's exciting. I don't even know what we're unboxing.
I mean, they've been all over the internet. I don't know why he hasn't seen them.
Size 14?
No.
Oh, 9.5.
9.5.
Oh, you got them for yourself.
So that means you can't try them on today.
No, I can't. I can't wear a 9.5.
First of all, it's a box, like a shoe box, of course. They're called Idio. Move with purpose. What they're pointing you towards is that the shoes were specifically designed for disc golf so that you can move with a purpose. Let's open them up. Got some nice tissue paper. Get that out. Oh my gosh.
What's in there?
There's nothing else in there. I thought they were supposed to come with some socks or something. These look freaking dope.
So it's the Syncrasy by Idio.
Yeah. Okay, is that what it is?
Well, I mean, yeah, the shoe is called
How do you know
Syncrasy.
more than me and you haven't even...
I mean, it just doesn't say Idio next to this.
Oh,
So
yeah.
it has to be the Syncrasy by Idio, or you can say the Idio Syncrasy.
So looking here at the shoes, first thing I notice is they are super light, which is really good because then you'll be able to spin faster on your feet, be much quicker, get more spin on your disc.
The first thing I noticed is actually the heel right here, and it says power plant down here.
It's like curved right here, and then it has these ridges, I guess, for grip. It's pretty cool because like each special part of the shoe, they have something written there letting you know they designed it specifically for a reason.
It's got a bunch of flux capacitors on the back, these little triangular, you can see it, the design. It's like we're going back to the future.
It definitely looks like you got a lot of grip if you're on a hill or in some slippery areas. Looks like these will work really good in keeping you stable.
You can't wear these playing golf. You would mess up the...
Like ball golf?
Yeah, you mess up the green with these.
Why would you wear disc golf design shoes for ball golf?
I don't know.
Hey, they might
Some people
work.
can get that messed up. I'm just saying. It does have like a top here that I know I've had I've had a problem in the past with wearing out like one of the sides of the shoes.
Yeah.
My left shoe because it drags and it literally says drag on.
They designed this so you could have information given back to you to let you know that you have been dragging.
That you have been dragging. Right.
Yeah, so if you see like scuffs right here on the front, they're going to let you know that you've been dragging your foot. Yeah, bring your shoe over here.
I'll bring my shoe over. Okay. I don't think
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if I have any specific wear because it looks like it's all worn. Pretty worn in the front here. But that's my left shoe, so that's gonna be my drag shoe.
Let me
and then this is my right shoe, so it's torn up too. When you wear a 14, it's hard to find shoes that actually fit good.
Right.
So I usually try them on and just whatever feels good is what I go with. So if these feel good, and I'm definitely gonna probably give these a try. I like the design. It's got the little triangle. The design is cool. It's pretty plain, I would say.
With it being waterproof, fully waterproof, the only thing I could think of that might be an issue is, are these shoes breathable? Are your feet gonna get really hot and sweaty?
Even though they're waterproof, it also keeps the water in. So if you're sweating or you get your feet wet and then you don't think about it and you keep your nasty socks and everything on for like hours that day, I mean, you can develop athlete's foot.
I had it once when I was doing construction work and I had to put like baby powder in my shoes.
Yeah. These are Style 004 in red. So if anyone's interested in getting these specific shoes,
okay,
that's the exact design.
I'm curious what other styles they would have. Maybe this is their fourth design or something, I don't know.
Or just the red color. It's pretty cool that they're actually making disc golf shoes. I didn't even know that exists.
Have you felt the inside?
Mm-mm.
Push down, like you can, it almost like grabs you. What's that squishy stuff called? They make beds out of them.
Oh, the memory foam?
Memory foam.
Oh, memory foam.
Yeah, it's
oh,
almost
okay.
like
they
memory
make beds.
foam in
Okay,
here.
I didn't know what you're talking about.
But it's like it kind of grabs you at the same time. I guess that helps you have more grip on the inside. Ooh, I like the pads on the inside, right here. That right there. That's going to be really comfortable. And then the tongue has like that old school bomber jacket feeling.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it does. Oh, that's so funny. The members only.
Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and put the shoe on so we can test and make sure that the size is what the actual size says.
What if they're so good that once you put them on, you never want to take them off again?
That would be dope. I mean, like you sleeping?
We'll have to delete this review.
It fit perfect.
We are not sponsored, by the way, by this Idio Syncrasy.
Oh yeah.
Fit?
Yes. And they feel really good. Oh, there's one more thing that I didn't mention.
What's that?
How much the shoes cost.
Idio Syncrasy, a mode of behavior or way of thought peculiar to an individual.
So these shoes are not exactly cheap, but any good disc golf shoe, you're gonna want to spend at least $100. You're gonna be doing a lot of wear and tear on them, so they need to be made really good. These shoes are actually $129.
$129.
It's definitely a little investment, but
idiosports.com.
idiosports.com?
IDIOsports.com.
Okay.
And you can buy them directly from them. They have size 14, they have size all the way up to 15 and a half, and as low as 5.
So for all you people with giant feet
Or small feet.
or small feet, tiny itty bitty feet,
Have to be human.
yeah, you have to be human to wear these shoes.
Juicy red, they have storm green,
Storm green.
and T-box gray.
That's gonna wrap it up for this unboxing. Hope you guys got some information that you were looking for about these shoes, and we appreciate you guys watching. And please subscribe right now if you haven't already. And about a month from now, I am going to do another review on what I thought about them out in the field on the course. Till next time, love you guys, peace, and have a good one.